Hello, good morning, my dear. As we are in habit of exchanging our idea every day by this electronic means, today I am once again with the concept of the same lesson, the little girl, written by Catherine Mansfield. My dear, as we know by means of the story that there are two main characters, Kezia and her father. Right now, we are going to exchange our view, especially about the father. Previously, we talked much more about the lesson, the concept of the lesson, but today I'm going to discuss about the father. My dear, we have the evidence by means of the story that her father was very strict and dominating. Physically, he was very big in size, but he never seemed to very smile. He never did so. I think his facial expression made Kezia very shocked and sad, very unhappy all the time. And he always kept Kezia in awe of his domination. And after that, I would like to describe the daily routine of her father, in what way he was living his life. After coming from his office, her father generally asked a cup of tea, newspaper, and his sleeper. Before that, he asked Kezia to put up his boot and bring the sleeper. My dear, these are the daily activity done by her father. Apart from them, he felt very relaxed, especially on Sundays. On every Sunday, he was in habit of stretching on sofa, very snarling and sound sleep. My dear, these are the physical feature, his habits, his way of living. But as we stride ahead in this story, we have the comparison. My dear, in the very beginning of the story, Kezia had a very specific idea about the fathers. Once she said, there are different kinds of fathers. What does it mean? Here we are discussing the features, mentality, attitudes among them a person lives. My dear, a father is also a person. A father has his own mentality, he has his own way of living, he has his own concepts. Kejia's father was not apart from them. As a man, he was very dominating, and I think a father should be like this, but not up to such extent from where a children gets frightened. And apart from these things, he had some other ill activities also. Likewise, he would beat her, demand her undivided service but never spend a quality time with her. We cannot justify the role of such a father who is very confined in his own concept and not familiar for the children. Fortunately, there came a gentleman in the story named Mr. MacDonald. He had his children, but when she compared with the person he got, Kezia got, Mr. MacDonald was very warm and cordial with his children. Now we have both the situations. Now we may think who was correct and right in his position. He played with his children, laughed and enjoyed much. He shared a very friendly relationship with his children. By keeping in place of Kezia, you may justify that how should be our fathers. Now we are not comparing here a person socially or economically, but we are classifying here the character on the basis of mode of living. How should be our mode of living, and up to what extent there should be democracy in the family, and we all respect the view of each other. By doing so, we can enrich our family and family members, and in this way, we shall live very happily. My dear, every day I bring something, some flowers of ideas for your kind benefit, and gradually I think you will be offered a lot of things. Today, I would like to conclude and convince you that if you continue this habit of learning with open heart and mind, you will receive a lot of things, lot of idea, and will certainly will give a suitable shape to your career. Thank you.